A very warm good morning to respected Principal Ma'am, Manager Sir, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. I extend my warm welcome to all of you present here in this 78th Independence Day. My name is Mehul Majila, and I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. In this auspicious occasion, I would like to present a speech. The day 15th August 1947 has been engraved in the golden history of India. This is the day when India got independent from 200 years of British. And in this year, we are celebrating Independence Day with a theme called Viksit Bharat, which means developed India in English. This theme reflects the vision of the government to transform India into a developed nation by 2047, which will be the 100th anniversary of India. Independence Day is a historical day for our country, and this Independence Day reminds us all the sacrifices made by our freedom fighters to liberate India. And on 15th August, the British imperialism announced India free, and it changed into a democracy country and into a biggest voting system. 15th August is announced as a public celebration which includes flag hosting, march passes, and social work. Every government school, public association, government buildings, colleges, schools, and offices celebrate this day beautifully. On this day, the Prime Minister of our country hoists the flag on the Red Fort and addresses the country with a speech.
Welcome to all of you. Today we are gathered here to celebrate 78th Independence Day. Myself Kritika Pant,
Myself Mahi Dasila.
and we are the presenting on upcoming program on Oh My Friend Ganesha.
Lovely morning, lovely peoples, and we are gathered here to celebrate 78th Independence Day.
Now presenting the program, my classmate Mahi tell you why we worshipped Ganesha first.
We worship Lord Ganesha first because a story of a race between Lord Ganesha and his elder brother Lord Kartikeya.
I want to thank Principal Ma'am to give me this opportunity. Now, good morning everyone, respected Principal Ma'am, Manager Sir, teachers, Honorable Chief Guests, parents and all my dear friends. Firstly, I want to wish you a very happy Independence Day. As we all know that today we are gathered here to celebrate our 78th Independence Day. So my heartiest greeting to all of you on our 78th Independence Day. It is a glorious and auspicious occasion for all of us. Independence Day is very important for everyone. Independence Day tells us an inspiring story of freedom that we get after 200 years of British rule. Independence Day is a day when we get our separate homeland where we feel free and secure and live as we want. Dear listeners, it was not easy to get freedom and break the chain of slavery.
Celebrate Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August on every year. It is a day when we get freedom from Britishers. In this day, every kid and every student can narrate the struggle stories of our freedom fighters. Independence Day is a national festival of our country. Many freedom fighters such as Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev, Bal Gangadhar Tilak and many more freedom fighters do more struggle and give freedom from British.
Wow, what's a lovely program because we all are gathered here to celebrate Independence Day. Independence Day is a national festival of India. Independence Day is the most important day in the history of India. On this day in 1947, India became free from British rule. Many freedom fighters like Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru Sukhdev sacrificed their lives for the independence of
Both known and unknown from all works of life.
So I want to tell a small poem in Hindi on topic भारत की बेटी. सबसे महान होती है भारत की बेटियां, हम सबकी शान होती है भारत की बेटियां. जिस दिन से घर में आती है बेटियां, माँ बाप की इज्जत बन जाती है बेटियां। हर युग में नई दिशा दिखाती है बेटियां, त्याग और बलिदान से भरपूर होती है बेटियां। रण में चंडी दुर्गा अहिल्या होती है बेटियां, आसमान में कल्पना सुनीता सी तैरती है बेटियां। भारत का सम्मान होती है बेटियां, माता पिता का अभिमान होती है बेटियां। ऐसी होती है हमारी भारत की बेटियां। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Let me call the energetic girls of class 6 to give a welcome performance on the song Bharat Ki Beti. So give a big hand for the students.